Hello children, today is our activity day. So I am going to show you a colorful bird. For that we need one circle shaped chart paper, one square paper, one small triangle, googly eyes, scissors, fevicol and stapler. First we will fold this circle paper into half like a semicircle. Press it properly. Then make this square paper and fold it in like a fan fold. Like this. Okay. So this is your fan fold ready. Now fold it from the middle like this and cut it. Now we will staple these two parts of this fan fold as these birds' wings. Okay. Now paste this googly eye. You can paste these two eyes also from other side also. You can paste this googly eye. And paste this triangle. Here as a beak of this bird. So children, this is our colorful bird ready. I have used all colorful things, colorful chart papers for this bird. You can make bird like this also by adding one more fan fold as feathers of this bird, and one more bird also I have made for you. See, so three types of birds you can make from colorful chart paper. So children, I hope you will definitely try to make this bird. Okay, thank you children. Bye. Take care.